In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the date and time settings in WhatsApp using your PC. This guide is particularly useful when you notice timing discrepancies in your messages or need to coordinate the timestamp with another device. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure your WhatsApp messages are always accurately timestamped. First, it's important to understand that WhatsApp utilizes your computer's date and time settings to timestamp messages. Therefore, any adjustments need to be made directly on your computer. Let's start by closing WhatsApp on your PC. It's essential to do this as changes in your system settings won't reflect in the app if it's still running. You can close WhatsApp by finding it in your system tray or task manager and clicking on Quit or Close. Next, you'll need to access the settings on your PC where you can adjust the date and time. If you're using a Windows system, navigate to Settings, then click on Time and Language and select Date and Time. For those using a Mac, you'll want to go to your system settings, then find the Date and Time section. This is where you have control over how your computer's clock is set. Once you've reached the Date and Time settings, check to see if your device is set to adjust time automatically. If it is, you might want to turn this setting off to manually set the date and time. This can be particularly useful in situations where you need precision, and automatic settings might not be updating accurately due to regional adjustments or other factors. Now, with the automatic setting turned off, you can go ahead and manually adjust the date and the time to your preference, or the correct local time. Make sure to double-check that you have the time zone set correctly as well, as this can significantly affect your timestamp. After you've adjusted the settings to your satisfaction, it's time to reopen WhatsApp, whether via web or the desktop app. Simply launch the application again, and, with the updated system time, your messages will now display with the correct timestamp. This process ensures that all your communications reflect the accurate time, facilitating better organization and record keeping. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the date and time settings for WhatsApp on your PC, ensuring that your messages are always correctly timestamped. If you encounter any issues, double-check your system settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in addressing your timestamp concerns in WhatsApp.